Greetings and a warm welcome. In today's session, we're here to provide you with an overview of installing and establishing the connections for the TransPower MPTS within an electrical network. In this presentation, we'll show a basic drawing of how electricity flows and where to put the CT on the bus bars inside the electrical switchgear. We'll also explain how to connect the meters and the MPTS device properly. What sets the MPTS apart? Its advantages for users include boosting efficiency, safety, and reliability of the electrical set, cutting down service, repair, and maintenance expenses, thereby lowering overall operating costs, prolonging the lifespan of connected equipment, delaying the need for replacements due to aging, safeguarding your equipment against failures, minimizing downtime, avoiding the unnecessary replacement of perfectly functional equipment with new ones, freeing up electrical capacity, allowing more loads on the same panels and transformers, decreasing total power demand and consumption, leading to energy savings, a significant reduction in CO2 emissions. The MPTS isn't just a power management system that logs power usage, offers remote access, and generates reports. It also resolves electrical issues, ultimately lowering maintenance expenses in buildings. This diagram illustrates a standard layout of an electrical panel in buildings. Power originates from the utility transformer, passes through a utility meter, and links to a main disconnect switch responsible for controlling the building's overall power. Additionally, the diagram shows circuit breakers distributing power to different subpanels within the building. This picture displays where the CT are placed to connect up with the meter. The connections involve power connection, including a neutral and grounding wire, as well as an Ethernet connection for internet access. The position of the CT must be close to the mains disconnect switch. Please refer to the manufacturer's user manuals for more details. This picture displays where the CT are placed to connect up with the integrator. The integrator requires a 120 volts power connection. The integrator kit is then connected to the termination block inside the MPTS. The position of the CT must be close to the mains disconnect switch. Please refer to the manufacturer's user manuals for more details. This picture display shows the power connections to the MPTS. The connections involve power connection, lines A, B, and C, including a neutral and grounding wire, as well as an Ethernet connection for internet access. The position of power connection must be as shown. The power is tapped at point on the busbar that is upstream of all load breakers or MCCBs. Please refer to the manufacturer's user manuals for more details. Let us summarize this presentation. The key takeaways are: 1. The placement of the CT holds immense importance. 2. The arrow on the CT should point towards the load. In other words, the arrow on the CT should match the direction of the current flow. 3. Ensuring the correct polarity, which means maintaining the positive and negative wires from the CT, is crucial for the MPTS to operate correctly and for precise data monitoring and reporting. MPTS is a self-programming and self-learning device with AI for predictive maintenance. 4. The MPTS stands as a high-precision tool. The electrician should consult the installation manual for precise details and accurate guidance on connections.
We want to thank you for tuning in to this presentation about installing and connecting the MPTS device. For further information, please reach out to our distributor. Have a wonderful day.